Guys, when I tell you we working, we gotta get a deck, a trunk deck, tail light, a bumper, and we gotta fix this part right here. But wait, oh yeah, we just finished this up. Gotta put a little piece on it, but it's pretty much together.
They up in the waves on the tracks.
So we already got the trunk lid. We got the tail light. And we got the bumper. Make sure this part right here ain't bent. Excuse me. Oh yeah, we good. Yeah, we really good. I could really have this done tomorrow. I might just do that. I might just do that. So my mom helped me put the trunk lid on. And y'all see this side fits so good, perfectly. Got the bumper on, the trunk lid, everything is fine. Then you get over to this side. Look at this shit. Look at that. And see, it got hit right here.
They up in the waves on the tracks.
So all of this is like, all of this is messed up. This is bad. This is really bad. Yeah, this is bad. And it wouldn't be as bad if this side didn't fit perfectly. If this side was off, then we know, okay, yeah, we gotta adjust something. But that side fits too perfectly. So it's like, we gotta do some, it's gonna be some work right here, boy. Oh no. I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. So, what I was saying, but it got hit right here, so everything went back that way. So I've been doing some pulling and hammering, and I got it just about where it need to be. It still has to it still gotta come up some. Let's see if I can. See, it's not. It ain't locking. So that metal part, like the bottom, still gotta come like up, not necessarily out. But it's there. It's where it need to be. See? See what I'm saying? So I don't know. I gotta figure with it. Figgle, figgle with it. I think I'm gonna try to. I wanna see how that's dented in. All this is supposed to come out. Dang, I don't know what the hell shit is. I ain't know. Boy, what I be getting myself into? Oh, that's crazy. Alright, so we pretty much got the Sonota together. Closed. I was doing some work in here. My head light was fitting a little funny. This part was poked out. So I knocked it back in. Getting ready to do my body work. I'm really trying to finish this today. For real. After I get this part done, everything else will be, it won't take long. So yeah, that's my goal. I should be getting my charger back today. I have to get that done by tomorrow. That shit crazy, y'all. I done only had that car. I've been working on that Dodge Charger. That 19. I probably only had it for like 3 or 4 days. The rest of the time it's been in the shop, you know. So now I finally get the car back. And then the customer's rushing me, like, hey, when am I get my car back? Hey, I only had it a couple of days, you know. The part was on a national back order, so you can't really do. But the customer ain't trying to hear that. The only thing that they're concerned about is getting their car back. They don't care that the part ain't been, you ain't been able to get the part, or they don't care nothing about that. The only thing they're concerned about, which I mean, I guess is okay, but at the same time, you gotta understand things of this world is gonna happen. So that's why I always say estimated time or estimated price, because nothing is locked in. You know what I mean? Dang, boy. That's crazy.
They up the waves on the tracks.
So we got the charger done. We gotta wash it. See, this is Sonota that we was painting. Been done with it for a couple of days now. The trunk is still a little up, but